As we enjoyed the last beautiful weeks of the Indiana summer, have you started thinking about the single most important task to protect your boat investment for the off-season? What does it actually cost to have your boat professionally winterized here in Indiana? And is it worth the price compared to doing it yourself? Here at Reeder Trausch Marine, we winterize over 250 boats every year, so we know just how critical this step is for keeping your boat safe through the cold months. Today we are pulling back the curtain on winterization costs. We're going to break down the price ranges for different types of boats, cover the hidden costs of DIY, and explain what factors change the final price on your service bill. By the end of this short guide, you'll have a clear, confident budget in mind and understand exactly how to protect your boat without overspending. So you're ready to hit the water on day one next spring. I'm Ben Lynk, and welcome to Off the Dock University. First, let's quickly cover why this is so critical. When water freezes, it expands with incredible force. If there's any water left in your engine block, manifolds, or water systems, that expansion can lead to cracks. A cracked engine block is not a simple fix. It's a repair that can cost you thousands and can sideline your boat for a huge part of next season. Professional winterization is an ounce of prevention that is worth a pound. The price for a professional winterization service isn't a one-size-fits-all. It depends on several key factors. First is your engine. An outboard engine is generally less expensive to winterize than a sterndrive, also known as an inboard-outboard or IO. Outboards are self-draining by design, so the process mainly involves treating the fuel system, fogging the cylinders to prevent rust, and changing the gear lube. A sterndrive engine, like those in most Four Winds bow riders, is more complex. It has an engine block and manifolds that hold water, which must be manually drained and then filled with marine-grade antifreeze. Second are your boat's other systems. Do you have a freshwater sink, a toilet, which we call a head, or live wells for fishing? Each of these systems holds water, and it needs to be properly drained and winterized, which adds to the service time and cost. And finally, what's included in the package? A basic winterization focuses only on preventing freeze damage. However, most boat owners, and our service department here at Reeder Trausch Marine, recommend bundling this with other critical end-of-the-season services. This includes an oil change, which prevents acidic, used oil from sitting in your engine all winter, and shrink wrapping to protect your boat from the harsh Indiana snow and ice. Okay, let's get to the numbers. What can you expect to pay? These are general ranges for our area here in Indiana. For a boat with an outboard engine, you're typically looking at $250 to $400. This covers fuel stabilization, fogging the engine, and changing the gear case lube. For a sterndrive or inboard boat, the cost is higher due to the complexity we mentioned. Expect a price range of $400 to $650 for the basic freeze protection service. Now for the popular add-ons. An oil and filter change will typically add $150 to $250. Professional shrink wrap is usually priced per foot. A good estimate is $22 to $30 per linear foot. So for a 21-foot boat, that's roughly $460 to $630. Here at Reeder Trausch Marine, our winterization packages for the boats we sell, like Bennington, Avalon, Lund, and Four Winds, are built to ensure every system is protected. So, can you save money doing it yourself? On paper, yes. The materials, a few gallons of marine antifreeze, a fuel stabilizer, fogging oil, and gear lube will likely cost you around $100 to $150. But that's not the true cost. First, you have to factor in your time. It could take several hours, especially if it's your first time. Second, you need the right tools, like a gear lube pump and motor flushers or muffs. But the biggest hidden cost is risk. Forgetting just one drain plug on a sterndrive engine can be the difference between a successful winterization and that catastrophic cracked block we talked about. One small mistake can cost you 10 or 20 times what you would have paid for a professional service. For our customers, what they're really paying for is peace of mind, knowing that a certified marine technician has meticulously gone through every step and that their boat will be safe all winter, ready to go next spring. So to recap, professional winterization for most family boats in Indiana will range from about $400 to $650, plus any add-ons like an oil change or shrink wrap. While the DIY route can save you a couple $100s on materials, it comes with a significant investment of time and the huge financial risk of doing it incorrectly. Our service schedule here at Reeder Trausch Marine for winterization fills up incredibly fast, usually starting right after Labor Day. Please, do not wait for the first frost warning on the news. Click the link in the description to schedule a winterization appointment, Or better yet, give our service department a call today to get your boat on schedule. Securing your spot now means you get to enjoy the rest of the season worry-free. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to like and subscribe. Have a great rest of your summer. And as always, we'll see you on the water.